I let go of all that happened today so that I can sleep peacefully. I release any fears, worries, anger, and blame. I forgive myself and everyone else. I give myself permission to fall asleep. I am grateful for all that I have achieved today. May my sleep be long and restful. Right now, I am safe, secure, and ready to fall asleep. All is well in the world and my life. I don't need to figure everything out. Everything happens in its own time. I trust that all I need to know will be revealed to me with clarity. For now, sleeping is all I need. All mistakes I've made are only lessons to be learned. Even as I fall asleep, all is well in the outside world. I know there is a higher order of everything that ensures all is being tended to. I am easy and gentle on myself. I am cozy and comfortable in my bed. I move in the direction of good choices. I am lifted higher even by the darkness of the night. As my body sinks into the mattress, all worries and stresses melt away. I am completely enveloped in protection and grace. There is nowhere I need to be and nothing I need to do but sleep. I have a compassionate heart that knows what needs to happen in my life. It feels so good to rest. My breath rolls in and out like the waves on the ocean. This moment is a gift. I let go of all the need to feel like I should be somewhere other than my bed. I am thankful for all that I have in my life. I allow any thoughts to pass through my mind, coming and going. I am fully capable of falling into a deep sleep. Sleeping happens naturally. I give in to it. I allow for great healing and rejuvenation during my rest. I savor the moment just before falling asleep. I am deeply connected to my dreams, and I receive any information that they bring to me. My mind is filled with kind thoughts. I put love into all of my deeds tomorrow. I have earned the right to rest fully tonight. I close this day with a deep gratitude for all I have learned. I drift slowly into a deep and profound sleep. I say to myself, good night. As I breathe in, I inhale peace. And as I breathe out, I exhale any tension. I release all emotional negativity that holds me back from living my best life. I am free to live in the present moment. I find a peace and quiet in the stillness of the night. I am fully supported by those that love me. I have done my best today, and now it is time to rest. I am all I ever need to be. Sleeping is the best meditation. I give myself permission to fall into a deep sleep. All that I have done today is enough. I'm grateful for my life. I'm grateful for those who have been my teachers. May I sleep peacefully, and may my dreams be filled with love. When I awaken, I know of the infinite possibilities to choose happiness in my life.